Let's do it.
Hey guys, back at the bus, and once again I'm solo today. So I'm going to be trying to get some rust off of the floors. Just pretty much doing anything I can alone while I wait for help to put up these giant 4x8 panels all over the side of the bus. This is just a tarp that we put over the entire top of the bus for the winter because we did not get the panels on in time. It just so happens it fit over exactly the distance of our bus. Sweet freedom. God, what a mess. Hey guys, so I just wanted to share a little bus hack, if you will, with you. So on our specific bus, we raised the roof 21 inches, and we're putting 4-foot by 8-foot pieces of sheet metal to cover this side. And on our bus specifically, the sheet metal has to slide up on the other side of this hat channel, and it wedges between this flange type thing right here and the hat channel. And the windows that were there left a bunch of really nasty, sticky stuff. I tried using a grinder like this, an angle grinder, with this wire type brush. This is what I was going to use to get rust off the floor. It did not work very well. It was just moving around all that gunk, and we need that gunk to be gone so we can use our adhesive that we have so it can stick. I don't want any gunk in the way or anything like that. I want it to stick to metal, and even like a little bit of paint is fine as long as we rough up the surface and it doesn't have sticky stuff on it. It should adhere really well. But yeah, you would think this would work really well. It took forever. I was just thinking, what is going on? And it made it really, really smooth, and we need it to be kind of rough to get a better grip, something for the adhesive to hang on to. And then I also tried this kind of wire brush. It worked okay, but it just takes so much time. And then I was getting really frustrated with it, and I remembered that I got these sanding discs off of Amazon like 5 months ago. It was such a good deal. It comes with the part here that gets chucked in the back in this plastic piece, and then it's a bunch of these sanding discs that come with it, and they just screw right into this piece right here. Yeah, I thought that they wouldn't work very well for stuff like this, and lo and behold, it takes literally like 20 seconds per window. I've just been wasting my time. So sandpaper, really low grit, works so well for getting gunk off your bus and removing things. I know like some of you are thinking, oh well, that's going to take a lot of sandpaper. This is only the second disc that I've used, and I've done like 18 windows or something like that, and it's getting all the paint off and the gunk, and it's working really well. I'm pretty sure I paid like $10 for like 25 or 30 of these discs, and I think that's like really worth it. Time is money. I'm pretty sure I got these off of Amazon. No matter what, I'll try to find them again, and I will link it below. But I'm telling you, this is just a woodworking drill, and I think this probably costs like $15 or $20. Yeah, it just worked like a dream. And I know like a lot of people use pneumatic tools with like air power and stuff like that. I have that too. This just seems to work better because our air compressor is kind of like the size of a pancake one. It's a little bit bigger, but man, I bought a pneumatic drill for this originally. Every time you push the trigger, that gauge just straight down, so it's just not efficient enough. So I put it on a woodworking drill, and it works like amazingly. So yeah. I know this is a really crappy mask, but it's better than nothing. I'm getting some respirators later this week, so always use a mask. Another good thing about it being cold outside still, it's still comfortable to cover my skin. It's not hot yet, and when you're dealing with lots of rust, and nasty things flying through the air and metal and stuff like that. It's really nice when it's cold because you can cover your skin. It's really nasty to get all over yourself. You get the idea. It takes more than 20 seconds, you know, per window, but definitely recommend them. Two things I should have known when I started sanding the rust off the floor. One, have a proper respirator and face shield. And two, knee pads. My knees are killing me. Oh my gosh, I just started. Oh. All right, now I get why people use this. So this thing just blasts stuff away. I'm really happy we have this. So there you have it. You can see though how good of a job that wire brush did. I mean, comparing rust that's not touched to rust that is touched, I mean, it's even almost shiny. That took me like 30 seconds, maybe a minute. So, definitely digging that, boy. Oh my goodness, I gotta take off for the day. My lungs are killing me from breathing some of that rust in. Definitely get proper respirators for jobs like this, and if you're going to get a respirator, you might as well get one that protects you from everything: chemicals, paint, fumes, and, you know, dust, stuff like that. So I will be back tomorrow.